Hello friends, it's Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. It's that time again, update on my reorganizing. So this week, the last week I told you about, or I showed you a box that I was going to go through and reorganize and put away and regroup and things like that, which I did. And I think I mentioned that I had another couple of bags or boxes or whatever to go through. Well, this is another one that I have on my table over there that you're seeing. So let me show you. I've straightened up in here, but I've been working in here, so I've got some stuff sitting around. No big deal, you know. I mean, this is from my current projects. Over here, current projects, I've got some iced coffee there. And some tags I just made for Tag Tuesday. My journals I'm working on, my project cart. I am working with this scrapbook calendar right now. I'm experimenting with wrinkling, seam binding, and having some success with that. I think it's super pretty. And another project over here where I'm making those quilted tags, so I've got to work on that, so that's out. And so now the box. So here's another box that I need to go through this week. I cannot wait to get through this box and reorganize and regroup the bundles that I had in my shop from this box and see what else I stashed in here and put it away. So I've got this box to go through, and I've got a bag to go through. It's like a paper grocery bag from a store, so it's that, you know, that size, if you can picture that, full of stuff. So, oh my goodness, I just can't wait to get this stuff put away and get it out of my, I had it in my bedroom, so, I just don't like stuff sitting around. So, anyway, my goal for this next week is put this stuff away right here. You see my craft room, the state of it this week is not too bad, but I'm working in here and having fun in here, so, I have stuff out and stuff going on, so it's my fun place, right? My happy place. So let me show you my fabric drawer that I organized this week. Just one second. So here is the fabric drawer that I went through this week. So the quilt pieces that I worked with this week was from here. They were in this drawer, and as I kind of straightened it up, I did not take everything out of here. I didn't see a reason to do that. I just straightened it up. I mean, there are further organization things that you can do with fabric. You can organize by color or whatever, but I don't feel the need to do that to this drawer. It's fine the way it is. I just straightened it up because some things were getting pushed down where I couldn't see them. So I just, if something needed to be refolded, I refolded it, and I just got it into nice. It's supposed to be in 2 rows, so I made sure everything was in its proper row and not like going into the other rows or anything. So it's fine, and now I have a little bit more room because I took all the quilted pieces out that I'm going to, or I plan on making tags with, so I don't have any quilted pieces in there anymore. So I'm good to go with that drawer, close it up, and be done with it. But I have the 2 other drawers that I showed you that I'm going to work on. I'm going to put that on my list for this week to do one of the other drawers, and those are going to be more major reorganization on those, because if you remember, hold on, I'll show you. Just one second. Okay, so let me focus there. Okay, so I'll commit to doing this one this week. So on this one is a whole different ball game here, right? I'm going to have to take everything out of here and figure out how I want to organize it. Maybe I want to put some things in my shop. Maybe I just want to stack things differently and fold things differently. But this is just, like I've said before in my other videos, it gets like this because I put some things in here, and then I brought some more stuff home from the thrift store, and then I brought some more stuff home from the thrift store. So it just, I put it in here as best as I can, and, tried to organize it a little bit, but really I just kind of piled things in here. So I'm going to commit to taking everything out of here and seeing how I can reorganize it and what I want to do with everything, and then I'll show you that next week. So I'm committing to reorganizing this drawer and that box I showed you in the other room. So, I don't have a lot of time, so that will take my reorganizing time that I will make a priority this week and get that done. So I'll show you the results next week, and then I'll have one more drawer and one more bag of goodies in the other room that I told you is in my bedroom. Those two things, and then I will show you my Etsy storage. I'm going to get to it. So stay tuned for my Etsy storage. I used to have it one way where it was not together, and now I have it together pretty much. So I'll show you that in a couple weeks. So stay tuned. I'll see you later. Have a great week, and thank you for watching.